Seen these commercials. They look like this. They're looking for people who got botched medical procedures to join class action lawsuits. But one local woman contacted Team 10 saying that she was asked to lie about having the surgery. Investigator Melissa Masiha found out that that woman might have been targeted by a scam.
Attention women, did you have a vaginal mesh or sling implanted during surgery?
You see them all over TV. We also found many online on YouTube. Commercials advertising lawsuits over transvaginal mesh surgeries. The surgeries are supposed to fix internal female organs when they become weak. Karen Rasmussen is familiar with those commercials. Recently, she received a call from someone who claimed to work for the U.S. medical agency.
She asked me if I've had any bladder mesh surgeries, and I said no.
Have you had surgery before?
I've had surgeries before, but nothing like that.
That didn't stop the caller, who transferred her to a supervisor.
We were just wondering if you would be willing to say that you've had a bladder mesh surgery. And I'm like, excuse me? You want me to say that I had one? And she said, yes, would you be willing to? And I'm like, you want me to lie? She says, yes.
The California Department of Public Health reported similar calls made last year. A warning by the agency said callers identified themselves as working for the health department. They then hint at offers of compensation to get private information from their targets, primarily women. But it could also be something else. Court documents show an attorney representing Johnson & Johnson, a maker of the medical device for the surgery, claimed women are being solicited to join these lawsuits. The company said callers try to entice each woman into filing a lawsuit, even if they have never had an injury or mesh implant at all. For Rasmussen, lying just wasn't going to happen.
Where do you work?
I work here at Holy Cross Lutheran Church.
So you work at a church and they were
Yes.
asking you to lie.
Yes, they were, which really incensed me. I was very upset over that.
Melissa Masiha, Team 10.
Rasmussen knew the caller was a fake since the U.S. medical agency doesn't even exist.